Global Sustainability Systems Management. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 633.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and true earth stewardship.
Hello and welcome to another edition of One Community's Weekly Progress Update. My name is Jay and this is our May 5th, 2025 episode. And today I want to talk about global sustainability systems management. And I'm speaking to you as the head of what has become the #1 global sustainability systems organization in the world. And what you see happening in the background of this video is why and how we can say that, because this is what we're creating open source plans for and a specific step-by-step global sustainability strategy built on these global sustainability systems. And the systems are broken into two different categories. And so we have the physical foundations of sustainability and we have the emotional foundations of sustainability. And within each one of the foundations in the physical and the emotional, we have subcategories or systems designed to be implemented as either their own subsystems or as the complete model that is one community, including everything that you see happening in the background of this video, with the ability to host a third of the population as visitors and building to hundreds of thousands of visitors annually, and open sourcing and free sharing all of it so it can be replicated as either the complete teacher demonstration hub, which is what one community is, teacher part being to teach people how to replicate everything that it is that we're creating, and the demonstration part is to give people a place to come and actually experience one community and everything that you see happening in the background of this video, and then to be able to take the plans for that and to be able to replicate it on your own. And so these teacher demonstration hubs are global sustainability systems, including all the physical foundations, emotional foundations, to be implemented and to create a teacher demonstration hub designed to teach other people how to create teacher demonstration hubs of their own. And so the physical foundations of sustainability, everybody's familiar with. They're food, energy, and housing. Most people think that sustainability is just about those, but we have combined with those the emotional foundations of sustainability that we've identified and like to call highest good approaches to fulfill living, education, economics, and stewardship. How to manage it and keep it all running, how to maintain these systems. So when we talk about systems management, stewardship is the category that we put all that under. Like our open source software would be a great example of that. We're creating open source software that's currently being used to manage our 200 plus all volunteer team, global volunteer team representing over 60 different countries around the world. But also being designed and almost done now for how to manage the complete construction process, how to manage the complete social architecture and recreation process, how to manage the complete education program, and how to manage the decision making and collaboration process as well. And so the highest good network is what we're calling it. And this highest good network will help us to collaborate and coordinate with organizations around the world that are interested in being part of the global sustainability systems management and creation process, creating even more versions of open source and free shared versions of food, energy, housing, and all these different components. So as we build our teacher demonstration hub and start and are working towards completing it, we'll be working with other organizations building their own versions of teacher demonstration hubs or replicating what it is that we're doing, but creating even more versions, adaptations, modifications, evolutions, iterations of what it is that we're doing. So there's more and more options for people to choose from and more options to address the diversity of challenges that humanity is facing. And so never in the history of humanity have we had the ability to collaborate like we do right now. And so one community is trailblazing a path to global change and leveraging this ability to collaborate and communicate and coordinate a global effort to create global sustainability systems covering the complete human experience and making them easy enough, affordable enough, and designing these teacher demonstration hubs to be attractive enough to show people the experience of living within these communities as being so much better than the way that people are living right now, that by making them easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrating it's attractive enough, the idea will spread on its own. And so this is what we are developing. And everything you see happening in the background of the video, this is all the different plans and components that we have. We've put over 300,000 hours of design and development into the process. And we're creating this because we want to live this way. We're creating this because we want anybody else who wants to live this way to be able to have a clear path to know exactly how much it's going to cost, exactly how many hours it's going to take, and what are the step-by-step processes to achieve whatever version of this you want to create. Ultimately, the complete model. But it doesn't have to be that way, because we recognize that a lot of people don't want to live in community. A lot of people won't be interested in world change. A lot of people might not be interested in the education program, or a lot of people might only be interested in the education program. So we've designed it all so it can be implemented as individual components or as the complete model. And the global sustainability systems management process is making all of that easy. And so from our perspective, these are breakthrough living and thriving models designed to create a better way of life for the people that participate, while simultaneously giving something back to humanity, because they're created and designed with the consciousness and the idea for the highest good of all people and life on this planet. And how can we support that? And how can we make this self-replicating without battling the existing paradigm, without trying to, tear down anything that currently exists, just by demonstrating something better and making it easy for people to replicate that through step-by-step plans and a self-replicating model designed so that one community is built, and within a year we'll be able to inspire 2 more communities to start using the same plans, working with us in cooperation and collaboration to evolve those plans even further. Then us 3 communities, organizations working together could inspire 4 more the year after that, then 8 more the year after that, then 16 more the year after that, then 32 more the year after that, creating a global grassroots movement of these sustainability systems and creating even more and more options for people to choose from and continuing to improve it all. And so the most awesome thing about what we're creating, in my opinion, is, 2 things really. Number one, the more amazing the living experience is and what it is that we're creating, the more we demonstrate that, how much fun we're having, how the social, architectural, and recreational model works, how it all comes together to provide more free time for the people living there than they currently have, by eliminating commutes, by cooperating and collaborating on daily living activities that most people are doing individually, by working together to produce food so that we have the highest quality food, but also prepared by people that love to prepare that food, the highest quality meals, all these different aspects. Like, the more amazing the environment we create, the more successful we'll be. And the second most awesome aspect of this is the more we share it, the more we open source, the more we free share, the more we give away what it is that we're doing, the more successful we'll be. So these 2 pillars of the more awesome it is, the environment that we create, and the more we share that environment with other people, those 2 pillars right there, being the foundations of our success, are a big part of what this design is, of why this design is so world changing. Because it's in the fabric of the design. The more awesome the design is, and the more the design is given away and shared, the more it begins to replicate and propagate across the world. The more we work in cooperation, collaboration with other organizations to create even more versions of what it is that we're doing, the more successful we'll be. And so this is our idea for global sustainability systems management as a clear path to creating the world that we know is possible. Moving from here to here and simultaneously addressing the greatest challenges that humanity is facing right now, with homelessness, social injustice and inequality, food instability, lack of energy infrastructure, low quality education or non-participatory education that teaches kids what to learn without teaching them how to learn, lack of sustainability infrastructure that is adaptable, all these different things incorporated into the model and designed to create a way of living that most people have never even imagined. and sharing that as open source and free shared. So this is what we're up to. If you would like a weekly dose of positivity, this video and our weekly progress update and a link to exactly what our all volunteer team has accomplished within the last week, visit our website, click that subscribe button, and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. If you would like to see exactly what our all volunteer team has created, you don't have to subscribe to do that. You can just go to our website and visit our weekly progress update blog. You'll see what everybody has done within the last week. If you'd like to help out in the easiest way possible, like and subscribe. Visit us on social media. We are on all the different social media accounts. And to make it as easy as possible to participate with us and to share our work and to see what it is that we're up to. And if you'd like to see all the open source plans, tools, tutorials, resources, and do-it-yourself instructions, of course, visit our website. And if you just like an overview of all that stuff, stick around for a couple more minutes, help our algorithm out by watching to the end, and you will see bullet points of all the major components of our project and what those are all about. And so this is what we're up to. Thanks for watching the end. And this is how we're creating global sustainability systems, management, and all the different components within that. Until next week, we will, of course, keep on keeping on. Thanks for following our progress.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free shared and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.